They did what they said they would do and more. And it's been a great experience. My wife and I were thrilled with the roof after it was, we couldn't believe how good it looked. Mr. Coleman is fantastic. Very nice, very pleasant, all professional. I sound like I work for them, but it's been great.
They came out when they said they were going to come out. They were very efficient. My wife has in the back incredible gardens. They were all protected. Very clean and professional. And I'm very pleased with the job.
The better part of their story was how easy they made it to deal with my insurance company. Very much kind of white glove service. First and foremost, I've had multiple neighbors tell me how pretty the roof looks like. The way my house is situated, you see it prominently as you're driving down the street, and it feels nice. You know, not only have I noticed how nice it is, but my neighbors have as well. They were excellent at setting appointment, meeting the appointment, following up. They told me exactly when the materials would arrive right on time. They told me when their team would be here to come do the work, right on time, and then they completed exactly when they said they would. So, you know, it's been a very good experience with them. Kudos to them.